Good morning and welcome in the e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy, Beijing. Students, myself Dr. Janan, and we have the topic market economy. Students, you already know that economy is a system by which people of an area earn their livings. There are three types of economy: market economy, planned economy, and the mixed economy, which we have discussed in the previous video. Now we have the topic market economy. The students, market economy is also called free economy or capitalistic economy or capitalist economy or capitalism. Market economy or free economy or capitalistic economy. Here we are talking about the market economy or free economy. Market economy is that type of economy in which all the assets are owned by the people or the private persons, and all the economic activities are controlled by the market forces of demand and supply or the price mechanism. That is, capitalism is that type of economy, or market economy is that type of economy in which all the assets and economic activities are owned and controlled by the private person and the market forces. For example, USA and other European countries. In the capitalistic economy, since assets are owned and controlled by the private persons or people, and there is the free economic activity, in such a situation the people have to choose what goods or services they have to produce. They produce goods and services according to the market demand so that their profit can be maximized. In the capitalistic economy or capitalism, profit is the pivot on which the entire capitalistic system turns. Producers produce goods and services, keeping the view of the profit. They produce those goods and services which are high demand in the market, that the high profit. In the capitalism, consumer are sovereign. Consumer are sovereign because they have to varieties of goods and services in which they have to choose. There is the free economy, and all the economy is guided by the market forces of demand and market forces of supply. Main features of the market economy are the following: private ownership. Private ownership. In the capitalistic economy, there is a private ownership on the assets. All the assets are owned and controlled by the people or the private persons. Profit motive. All the market economy run with the view of the profit motive. Profit is the pivot on which the entire capitalistic system turns. Free economy. Market economy is the free economy, that is the freedom of performing the different types of economic activities, and there is the less government intervention, very less government intervention. Price mechanism. Price mechanism. All the market economy are controlled by the price mechanism, that is the market forces of demand and market forces of supply. Market forces of demand and market forces of supply. Here we see that private ownership, profit motive, free economy, price mechanism, consumers are sovereign. Consumers are sovereign. In the market economy, consumers are sovereign. They have varieties of goods and services to choose according to their choice. In this way, these are the features of the market economy. Now, watch the next video for the planned economy or socialism. Thank you.